We continue with our topic, menstruation. We are still on objective 3. The area will be given, and we'll be focusing on finding missing parts of the triangle and the trapezium when the area is given. So, the triangle that we're looking at has an area of 48 square meters. The perpendicular height is equal to 6 meters. We need to find the width or the base of this triangle. It's very important for us to know the formula, and that's the only way we're really going to work backwards to get the base or the width of this triangle. So we write our formula. Area is equal to half times the base times the height. We substitute what we know. We put 48 with the area and 6 with the height. Notice we're going to multiply 1/2 by 6 to give us this 3. And so once we divide both sides by 3, we will have the value that we need. So once we divide both sides by 3, we will be able to find what we're looking for. So 3 into 3 is 1, 3 into 48 is 16, and so we pretty much will be quite aware that this base is going to be 16 meters. So if this is 16 by 6, that's going to be, let's say I'm trying to do this in my head, 32, 96, and then 96 divided by 2 is 48. So that means that this is correct. It's always good to do a check after you find your answer to make sure you do have the right value. So here's our trapezium. As we would be reminded, the trapezium is pretty much two triangles that have been cut. So if we draw a diagonal through here, we'll have two triangles. So we know that the area is going to be 297. The top parallel width is 9, and the bottom parallel width is going to be 13. So using the formula, we want to multiply half, because remember now, if we are using two triangles, we need the sum of these parallel lines. So that's going to be the 9 plus the 13. When they are added, will give us 22. Multiplying that by a half, that's going to give us 11. So once we get to this point, we divide both sides by 11, and we will have the perpendicular height that we're looking for. So we're going to divide both sides by 11. If you're using a calculator, this is going to be very simple for you. So if you're not using a calculator, of course, you have to do it manually. That's going to give us 27, and this is going to give us 1. So the height is going to be 27 meters. That is the perpendicular height. And so if we multiply 27 by 22 and then divide by 2, we will surely indeed get 297.